So, what did you do here today?
I helped out with the painting of the monarch butterfly on the wall, and
Wow, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
yes, it was really fun.
No.
They're in trouble. They're migratory. The western migratory monarch needs more data taken on their population,
Oh.
and they're an amazing species.
Yeah.
They do need our help, don't they?
Yeah.
Well, did you have fun painting today?
We had a lot of fun painting today.
Yeah. You like this kind of thing?
Yeah. Great.
We hope it brings more awareness to the plight of the western migratory monarch. The population numbers are plunging,
Are they plunging?
and they need us desperately.
Mm.
So that's why when we do projects like this and involve the youth, and they're going to be the stewards going forward.
So should we build a wall to keep all the monarchs away?
Well, they don't come from Mexico or go to Mexico here on the West Coast. They would only keep out the East Coast monarchs, and if they didn't get into Mexico, they would all freeze to death and die. So
That doesn't sound like a good thing.
we don't want a wall to prevent them.
Don't build a butterfly
They'll just
wall.
fly over it. They'll
Yeah.
just fly over.